Welcome to Amaris Creation. This is a hammer. It helps us bang in nails. Here's a screwdriver. It twists screws tight. A wrench turns bolts. Super strong. Pliers grip and pull things. Handy, right? A saw cuts wood. Careful, it's sharp. With a drill, we make holes. BZZZ. Measure with a tape measure. Nice and long. A level keeps things straight. No tilting. Nails hold things together. So small but strong. Screws twist into place. Twist, twist. Bolts and nuts fit together. Tight and secure. Bolts and nuts fit together. Tight and secure. A ruler helps draw straight lines. Easy peasy. A file smooths rough edges. Just a little rub. A chisel helps carve wood. Tap, tap. Glue sticks things together. Sticky and strong. Pliers grip and pull things. Handy, right? Paintbrush time. Let's add some color. Keep everything in a toolbox. All organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.